Good evening, everyone. I hope you are doing well. This is a strategy session on to how to approach the paper 2. बहुत सारे मेरे friends हैं and also colleagues and other people who have complained that they are not able to complete the paper on time. 3 घंटे कम पड़ते हैं उनके लिए to complete the paper 2 on time. And as I have said earlier also, पेपर 2 इस एग्ज़ाम में CAPF एग्ज़ाम में मेक और ब्रेक हो गया है. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी विजिलेंट एज टू हाउ यू अप्रोच इट. बिफोर गोइंग देयर मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ. एज आई हैव रिटन इट 4 times and I have cleared it all 4 times. एक marksheet is still pending, but the 3 I'll walk you through quickly. The first one is from this year's attempt, that is 21, and as you can see this was actually the best feeling इसी पेपर में आई थी जब मैं लिख के आया, and I've got 108 here. Then in 2019 also the paper had gone pretty smooth. इसमें भी I've gotten 103. And in 2020 actually the paper was a bit tricky. मैंने attempt इसमें भी पूरा किया था, but the problem here is I got 99. 99 is still not that bad a score. I would say it is very good. So based on that I will now walk you through the strategy of paper 2. थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिएगा इस पे क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़रूरी है as to how we approach the paper. First things first, as you know, CAPF paper 2 is of 200 marks and the minutes assigned are 180 minutes. All right. So usually मेरी अगर मैं बात करूं तो I'm usually done by 2 hours and 25-30 minutes, but that is because of rigorous writing or practice that I have been doing. पर मैं आपके लिए बता देता हूं that you should always set yourself a goal of 2 hours and 45 minutes for the completion of paper. That is it. All right. And not more than that. And उसके लिए भी फिर अलग अलग चीज़ें हैं which we'll be discussing subsequently. First of all, let's break down the paper. And you can see here that the first question is of essays, followed by arguments, followed by reports. Then there is précis. Then there is comprehension. And then there is grammar. All right. Now I'll also let you know of the ideal scores जो आपको इसमें करने चाहिए to get a selection. तो सबसे पहले देखिए, it is of 25 marks. इसमें आपके I say that the ideal score is 21. 21 आपके कम से कम आए तो आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि आप दूसरों को रेस में आराम से बीट कर देंगे, even if your paper 1 has gone not so much on your expectations. Comprehension is of 20 marks. If you write and do not beat around the bush, and if you write good in your own language, then I think 10 marks is okay, is good for comprehension. Similarly for précis, 15 is there. I always take it on the conservative or lesser side, which is 7 marks. Reports होती हैं आपकी 20 marks की. इसमें मैं बहुत कम लेके चलता हूँ, 4. That is the minimum I'm telling. हो सकता है आपके 6 भी आ जाएं, 5 भी आ जाए, but this is the minimum that I'm telling. Arguments are of 40 marks. Here you have to score around 21. मतलब एक आपका बहुत अच्छा जाए और एक very good तक जाए with coherent points. And then in essays, the exceptional score is 44. 11 in each you are scoring. But I'll give you some leeway, and 42 is what we are keeping as a target. अब इसका एक बार total कर लेते हैं. How much we are getting? This is 63. This is 15. 63 and 15 is 78. 78 and 10 is 88. 88 plus 21, that is 109. 109 is more than a good score. This is actually a brilliant score, I would say, in paper 2. अब इसको लेके कैसे आना है, we'll be discussing about that. ठीक है. So please pay attention. पेपर करने का जो तरीका है, before going in the exam hall, I'll tell you a few tricks कि you get a 2 hours break from paper 1. तो उसमें आपको आंसर की चेक नहीं करनी है, आपको कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं करना है. What you have to do is you have to make sure that you are energetic enough. And how do you make sure that you are very energetic? You either drink black coffee, Red Bull. I used to take Red Bull. 2 cans maximum for a day are allowed, so you can have Red Bull or any kind of energy drink which keeps you very very energetic and alert. ठीक है. दूसरी बात इसी पे लेके कि बहुत सारे लोग पेन से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कि मुझे उससे पार्कर से लिखना है, पायलट से लिखना है. यूपीएससी हैज क्लियरली गिवन यू ब्लैक बॉल पेन. डू नॉट डिबेट अबाउट इट. ब्लैक बॉल पेन लेके जाओ. लिंक का होता है 0.7, 0.6, 0.5 if it is easy. For me it is 0.5, 0.7 which does the magic. So 0.7 आई कैरी, एक ही टाइप का पेन हो एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो थोड़ा सा यूज हो, 3-4 पेन लेके जाओ जो थोड़े थोड़े चले हुए हों. दीज आर वेरी माइन्यूट थिंग्स प्राइमा फेसी आपको लगेंगी, लेकिन इनसे बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. The most important thing that I tell everyone I meet is never write with your pen cap on. It should not be on. बहुत मामूली सा वेट है उसका, बट दैट अफेक्ट्स योर राइटिंग एंड ओरिएंटेशन. अब ये चीज़ें आपको सुपरफिशियल लग सकती हैं, बट दे डू मेक